Standard 1. My English Book 1. Unit 3. Request.
Students, let's speak. आपण बोलूया.
May I come in, sir?
Yes.
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 Excuse me, sir. Please, may I go out?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Please, may I go out?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Please, may I go out?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Please, may I go out?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Please, may I go out?
Yes.
Rajveer, please give me a sharpener. Rajveer, please give me an eraser. Rajveer, please give me a pencil. Rajveer, please give me a pen. Rajveer, please give me a ruler. Rajveer, please give me a notebook. Rajveer, please give me a book. Rajveer, please give me a slate. Rajveer, please give me a bottle. Excuse me, Vedika.
Yes,
Please give me your pencil.
here it is.
Thank you.
It's my pleasure.
Aditya,
Yes,
please give me your error.
here it is.
Thank you. Welcome.
Excuse me, yes.
Yes,
Give me your pen.
here it is.
Thank you. It's my pleasure.
Excuse me, Sanskruti.
Yes,
Please give me your slate.
yes. Here it is.
Thanks.
It's my pleasure.